Unraveling Put Off, a guide to understanding and using this common English phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a very common, yet sometimes confusing, phrase in the English language. Put off. Whether you're an English learner or just looking to refine your language skills, understanding these kinds of phrases is crucial for fluent communication. So, let's unravel the mysteries of put off together. At its core, put off is a phrasal verb, a combination of the verb put and the preposition off. This phrase can carry multiple meanings depending on the context, but its most common usage is to indicate a delay or postponement of an action or event. For example, I had to put off our meeting until next week. But wait, there's more. Put off can also mean to cause someone to feel dislike or discomfort. For instance, the rude comments put me off. To really grasp this phrase, let's see it in action. Here are a few examples. 1. Delaying actions. She put off doing her homework until the last minute. 2. Causing dislike. His arrogant attitude put off his colleagues. Notice how the meaning changes subtly based on the context? This versatility is what makes put off such a widely used phrase in English. Understanding similar phrases or synonyms can also help you get a better grip on put off. For delaying actions, synonyms like postpone, defer, or delay are commonly used. For causing dislike, phrases like disenchant or repel might be suitable. But be careful with synonyms. They can have slightly different nuances or usage contexts. 1. Practice in context. Try to create your own sentences or identify put off in things you read or listen to. 2. Remember the two main meanings, delay and causing dislike. 3. Use it in different tenses. Practicing put off in past, present, and future tenses helps solidify your understanding. And that wraps up our exploration of put off. Remember, understanding phrases like this is key to sounding natural in English. I hope this video has been helpful and has put you on the path to mastering this useful phrase. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.